Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to install Terraform in Windows 10. So first of all, you have to open that in a URL, which is https www.terraform.io/downloads.html, and it will be something like that, where you'll be come all the way down and you'll be see that in different operating system, like Linux 32 64-bit or ARM, OpenBDA, Solaris, and Windows. So in Windows also you'll see the 32-bit and 64-bit, so I'm going to click on that in Windows 64-bit, and it will be downloaded. So it's downloaded, and it's a Terraform versions 0.12.24 zip file will be downloaded. Just extract that zip file into that in your local PC, as per that in your convenient. If you have a other than the C drive, you can put that in a D or like in E, whatever's and then in my case, I have placed that I have created one folder inside the C softwares and then Terraform, and inside that in bin folder as well, and I just placed that in a Terraform. So only one binary will be there. After downloading the zip, just unzip it and you'll be see that in Terraform as applications. So the good thing is that for this Terraform, it's written into that in a Go language, and there is only one binary, and it's platform independent, not a platform this binary, or like in OS specific binary. Just to download the one binary and place into that in your respective application, set the path, and it will work like anything as expected. So after the placing the Terraform binary, what you have to do, just type that this PC, right click on that, and after right click on that, you'll be see the properties. So just click on the properties again. You'll be see that in a system, where you have to do that in a configurations, and click on that in a advanced system setting, and then another windows will be appear something like that, where system property you can put it. Come all the way down, it will be there on the right in advanced sections. Come all the way down and click on the environment variables, and then you'll be see something like that. Again click on that in path. If not visible, then click on that in down arrow. It will become and select the system variable, where variable name is the path and value will be something like that. So just double click on this. Again a window will be appear something like that, where you will be get the new edit and shows many buttons. Okay, and click, just click on the new, and new entry will be there, and type that in your locations of your where you have placed that in Terraform binary. In my case, it's there in the C clone forward backward slash softwares backward slash Terraform backward slash bin, and click on the OK. Again click on that in OK. Again click on that in OK, and you know and that's done. Configurations done. Again come to that in your like in command prompt, just type that in a CMD. You will be see that in a command prompt. If you have any other applications which will work for like in purpose of a command prompt, like in MobiX or like in Git Bash, you can use it. But for simplicity, I just want to use that in a command prompt, which is the inbuilt builder Windows 10 features. And I'm not going to talk more in what is the command prompt. So just type the command prompt, and you'll be see that in something like that. And we have already set the path, so nothing is required. And I'm in that in clone user training, and by default it will be there that in whatever your user is there, and just type that in a Terraform. So Terraform is an application, so what we have downloaded and configured in that in a path setting. Once you type the Terraform and enter, you'll be see something like that, meaning your Terraform installations is a successful. And so let's talk a few word about that in what is that in these ones. If you're not just typing that in Terraform, so it's saying that in uses how you're going to use Terraform hyphen versions, then you'll be see the versions hyphen help, then you'll be see the help. Or you can use that in command and argument. So argument, it may be something like that, or like in command. So you can choose that in Terraform apply, Terraform console, destroy, environment, format, get, graph, import, init, output, plan, and so many, until unless workspace. Followed by that in other options also we have a debug, force unlock, and state. So most of the time you used to use that in init is the first command, then plan, then apply, and destroy. This is the four command we are going to use that in often for our all demo, and in even the real time also. But however, all others are also as much as important what we have been apply. And init, plan, apply, and destroy. But so output also will be also play the very important role. Versions validate will be validate that in your Terraform code, and we'll talk these ones in the command sections in more details. And please, if you have any questions while installations about the Terraform, just let me know, and in the comment sections. And if you like or dislike, it's up to you, but I'll be suggest to please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, which is link is there in that in below subscribe button, or in that in right side. And please watch my the next video, and if you have any doubt, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.